Okay, we will answer this one. Evaluate 2a times 4 times x squared. Then divide by 3y when a is 1, x is negative 3, y is positive 3. Okay, so first, i-substitute muna natin itong value ng a, x, at saka yung y. Okay, so 2, tapos yung value ng a is 1. Then bracket, open bracket tayo. Then 4, kopyahin natin yan. Then x, value ng x is negative 3. Then do not forget sa squared. Then close. Then i-divide natin by 3. Tapos yung value ng y. Value ng y is 3. Okay? Then simplify natin. So 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? Times. Pwede mong i-close. Pwede rin hindi. Pwede rin yung gamit yung isang symbol ng multiplication. So times 4. Tapos bracket muna natin yan. Tapos itong negative 3 multiply natin by itself. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Okay? So divide natin by 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? Dito tayo. 2 times 4 times 9 is 36. Okay? Then divide natin by 9 equals 2 times 36 is 72. Divide natin by 9 equals 72 divided by 9 is 8. Okay? So sa choices natin, letter A is the correct answer.